All right, we have two Olivers ready to go. Well, actually, this one has been sold. This one is for sale, and as you can see, it's kind of loose. Probably you remember if you've seen my or watching my videos. I have other 5 Olivers that we have the top, the bottom chassis, the wheels, but we don't have the top. So we already make the copies for this, but this is the complete set. It's been for sale on customtrackmaster.com or check eBay. This one is sold. It goes to Bristol, Pennsylvania. So I'm just doing a test showing that it works, just to make sure it runs as it should. The other one also is running perfect. That's great. So we have a Tomy Pla-rail 1998. Here is the date, 1998 and 2003. All right.